Hello students, once again you are most welcome in our channel. Today I have selected this video for the students of class 10th English medium and subject is mathematics. As in earlier videos we have discussed exercise 1.2, okay, but in this exercise some questions are left, okay. So now we see those questions. In this part we see all the remaining questions like question number 14, 15 and 16. So this is the last part of this exercise, okay. Exercise 1.2, we see here question number 14. A rectangular field is 150 meter into 60 meter, okay. Two cyclists, Karan and Vijay, start together and can cycle at a speed of 21 meter per minute and 28 meter per minute respectively. They cycle along the rectangular track around the field from the same point and at the same moment. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Okay? In this way, we can understand here, this question says that we have a rectangular field which dimension is 150 meter into 60 meter. Okay? Means length of rectangular field is equal to 150 meter. It's right. And the breadth of rectangular field is equal to, means you can denote here by L, okay, and here breadth is denoted by B, is 60 meter. So now we see here two cyclists, Karan and Vijay, start together for cycling on rectangular track. It's right. Means suppose that this is rectangle, this is our rectangle, and here this is rectangular track. It's right. Means Karan and Vijay start cycling, suppose that from this point, and they move towards this and meet again. So question is saying that here, after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? It means when both, means Karan and Vijay, meet again on this point. Okay? So now, first of all, we have to know that how is length, breadth, means overall we can say that perimeter of this rectangular field. Okay? Now, perimeter of rectangular field is equal to, as we know that formula, what is formula? 2 into length plus breadth. Means 2, we apply formula and after that put the value. Length is equal to 150 and breadth is equal to 60. Now we solve here into 0, 6, 5, 11, 1, 1, 2, 210. Now again, means this is perimeter, means this is the distance of track from here, means this is track. Okay? Length of track. You can say in other words, length of track. It's right? Now, question is asked after how many minutes, means time is asking here. Okay? Question here asking time. So we have to find here time of each person. First of all, we say that The speed of current is 21 meter per minute, and the speed of Vijay is 28 meter per minute. So now taken time by current. First of all, we know the current. Taken time by current is equal to, what is the formula of taking time? Distance upon speed. What is distance? Distance is here this 420 meter, because from here this is distance of track, that is 420 meter. We can say here distance is 420 meter upon speed of current. Here is different question. Speed of current is 21 meter per minute. We can write here 21. 21 was 21, 22 is 42, 20. It means 20 minutes. 20 minutes. You can see here. Okay? You can understand. Means taken time of current is equal to distance upon speed. See at the board. Okay? 420 upon 21 means 21 to 42 and 20 minutes. Is right? Again, you can write and taken time by Vijay. Hello. See here. I am taken time by Vijay. It's seen by you. Okay. Time taken time by Vijay is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is once again 420 and time is distance upon speed. Distance is 420 meter and speed is 28. We can write the 28. Can you see easily here? Okay. Now 14 to 28, 14 3 42, and again 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 15 30. We can say that 15 minutes have been taken by Vijay. Okay. Now we have to find here after how many minutes will they meet again. Both persons have to meet again. So for this case, we find here LCM. Now we take here LCM of 20 minutes and 15 minutes. It's right? Are you seeing here? It's clear? Okay. Now LCM of 20 and 15. It's right? Clear? Now we factorize here of 20 is equal to 2, 2 ja 4, 5 ja 20. Now again 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Because we have discussed in earlier videos, in earlier exercise, how to find SCM and LCM of given numbers. You can see and search again our earlier videos. It's right? So, see here, when we factorize here of both numbers 20 and 15, we find here the LCM is equal to how much? I have told you every number which is repeated and more than times means 5 is here one time and 3 one time. First of all, 2 is 2 times. We write here 2 2 ja 4 and 3 and into 5. Okay? Means 4 3 ja 12, 5 ja 60. We can say that after 60 minutes. See here, we can say that after 60 minutes, Karan and Vijay will meet again at the starting point. Okay? This is your rectangular part. You can say this is rectangular field and this is your rectangular track. Okay? Suppose that Karan and Vijay start from here to cycling and they move here in this way. After how many minutes they will meet again here? After 60 minutes. After 60 minutes they will meet again here. Okay? It's clear? Now we see our next question, that is question number 15. Okay. We see question number 15. Radius of a circular track is 63 meters. Two cyclists, Amit and Ajit, start together from the same position at the same time and in the same direction with speeds 33 meters per minute and 44 meters per minute. After how many minutes they meet at the starting point? Again, see question. Radius of a circular track is 63 meters. Means radius of circular track is given 63 meters. Clear? Okay. Now, two cyclists, Amit and Ajit, start together from the same position. Means two persons are here, Ajit and Amit. Okay. Both persons start cycling on the circular track. It's clear from this question? Now, at the same time and in the same direction. Speed of Amit is 33 meters. See question. Amit and Ajit start. Okay? Means the speed of Amit is 33 meters per minute and the speed of Ajit is 44 meters per minute. It's right? Now, after how many minutes they meet at the starting point? Means question is asking here when they meet. Means what is the time? Means after how many minutes they meet at the starting point. So, we solve here this question. Given that radius of circular track means R is equal to 63 meters as given here. It's right? Again, we have to find the path. Path means track. Track of circular means circle. Means track of circle means circular track on which Amit and Ajit have to start cycling. Clear? So, the distance of circular track means circumference. Circumference of track means 2 pi r. Okay? Because suppose that this is circle, this is our circle, and radius is 63 meters. Now, we have to start from here, means Amit and Ajit have to start cycling on this way, means this is track. So, we have to find here circumference of this circle. Okay? Circumference of the track is 2 pi r, means 2 into 22 upon 7, and putting the value of r means radius 63. Now, we solve here 6 minus 63 and 9 to 18. 18 into 22 is equal to 396 meters. Means this is circumference of this circle. Circumference of this circle is 396 meters. It's clear? Now, we take here taken time by Amit. Taken time by Amit means why we solve here for taking time? Because question is asked here. How many? After how many minutes? Minutes means time. So we find here first of all taken time by Amit to cover this distance means distance upon speed. Distance is here 396. We got here. After that, the speed of Amit is here 33 meters per minute. Okay, so we solve here putting the value of distance and speed 396 upon 33. We divided it by 11. 11 3 are 33. 11 3 are 33 and 3 and 6 and 6 66. 11 6 are 66. Now 3 1 are 3 3 12 are 36. It means 12 minutes has been taken by Amit to cover this distance, means circumference. It's clear? Same as taken time by Ajit. Same distance is same, means the circumference is same of the circle. 396 upon and the speed of Ajit is 44 meters. 396 upon 44. We divide here. 11 4 is 44. 11 3 is 36. 11 6 66. 11 6 is 66. Now 4 1 is 4. 4 9 is 36. 9 minutes means 9 minutes have been taken by Ajit to cover this circumference. So question is here, after how many minutes? After how many minutes they meet at the starting point? It means we have to find here LCM of both, means 12 minutes and 9 minutes. We take here LCM of 12 and 9. We factor here, we can factorize here. 12 is equal to 2 to the 4 here. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. And again, we factorize here of 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Now, LCM is the highest power. Is 3 is 9. And 2 to 4. 9 4 36. It means after 36 minutes, Amit and Ajit will meet at the starting point. It's clear? Okay. Now we see question number 16. 3 sets of English, Hindi and mathematics books have to be stacked in such a way that all the books are stored topic wise and the height of each stack is the same. The number of English books is 96. See here, 96. The number of Hindi books is 240 and the number of mathematics books is 336. Assuming that the books are of the same thickness, determine the number of stacks of English, Hindi and mathematics books. Okay, depict values. This is our question. It's right. See here again, means we have to given 3 types of books. First is English book, second is Hindi and third one is mathematics books. So we can write here, given that is our solution, given that number of English books is equal to English book is 96. Okay, this one English book is 96. Now number of Hindi books is equal to Hindi books is here 240 and number of mathematics books is equal to 336. Now in this case we have to given, assuming that the books are of the same thickness, means see here question is said here, the books are of the same thickness, determine the number of stacks of English, Hindi and mathematics books. Means we have to find out here SCF of these. First of all, SCF of these books. Means first of all, we factorize here of 96. See here, we can solve. Factorize here 96 2 4 8 2 8 16 2 2 4 2 4 8 2 1 2 4 2 6 12 2 3 6 3 1 3. It means we can say here is equal to, we factorize in 96, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 in this way, 1 2 3 4 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5 times and into 3 we can find your factors. Okay, in other ways we can write here and separately we can solve solve here separately. We part here SGF of separately we can solve SGF of 96, 240 and 336. We can solve it separately. Now 96 can be factorized into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We have solved here. You can also solve. Okay, this way. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the. Here we can see 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. Okay. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times into 3 in this way. Okay. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32, 32 3 ja 96. Okay. Now again we factorize 240. We factorize here 240 in this way. 2 1 2 2 to the 4 120, 2 6 12 16, 2 30 2 1 2 2 1 2 5 15, 3 5 ja and 5 1 ja. Means 1 2 3 4 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 into 3 into 5. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 48. 48 multiplied by 5 is 240. Okay. Now 336. 336 can be divided, factorize here. 336. Okay. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. It's right. Now we can write here 1 2 3 4 times 2, 1 2 3 4 times 2 and 3 7. Right? Now we can solve here SGF. So SGF of this, we know that SGF is always of highest common factor. So highest common factor is 4 times 2. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Means we can solve here. We can say that 2 to the power 4 times 2 is common, and no other digits are common. So we can say that this is our SGF. Means is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 3 is also common. See here, 3 is also common. 1 2 3. Okay, into 3 we can write here. See here, 4 times 2 is common. Okay, and 3 is also everywhere. So we can take common 3 also. And here is 5, here is 7, and here is 2. There will be no common digit. So now this SGF what should be? 2 to the 4 to the 16, 16 4 and 3 ja 48. SGF is 48. Okay. Now question is asked, number of states of English, Hindi and mathematics books. Repeat values means we have to find values of states of English book, Hindi books and mathematics books separately. Now we can say that here number of stacks of English books is equal to total number upon SGF. Total number of books upon SGF. 48 1 ja 42 ja 2 times 2 means the number of stacks of English books is 2. This is answer. And now again number of Hindi, number of stacks of Hindi books is equal to total number of Hindi books. How much? 240. It means 240 upon SCF 48. We can solve here. 8 6 is 48, 8 6 is 24, 30. Here 6 5 is 30. Means total number is 5. Okay, this is 5. And again, number of stacks of mathematics books. Mathematics books is equal to total number of books. How much? 336. 336 upon SCF is 48. We can solve here. 8 6 is 48. 8 4 is 32. 1 8 is 16. 6 1 is 6. 6 7 is 42. Means that is 7. So we can say that number of stacks of English books is 2, and number of stacks of Hindi books is equal to 5, and number of stacks of mathematics books are 7. Okay, means number of stacks of mathematics books is 7. In this way, we can say that first of all we have to find SCF of these numbers. And from SCF, we have to divide given number. Okay, in this case, we find here SCF 48, and by this 48, we have to divide each number of stacks of books. Okay, this is our question and it is solved. So, I request all the students of class 10th, please solve this exercise, and if you have any problem, you can ask questions. Okay, I will teach you next exercise in our next videos. Okay, thank you class.